Hi guys, welcome to Hustle Free Wealth. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about gold and silver investing, especially after my last video. You can check that out. Many of you don't want to miss that rally, and honestly, I get it. Whenever gold and silver shine, excitement is sky high. But here is what most people miss. The smartest way to play gold and silver and equities too, especially when gold and silver have rallied so much. So the smartest way to play them without taking big risks isn't by going all in on one metal or two metals, silver and gold. It's through multi-asset funds. In this video, I'll explain why. Uh, and I'll also share the two exact funds I personally invest in. So stick around till the end because you'll see how I'm positioning myself in today's market. So the question should be, why not only gold or silver fund? Why multi-asset? Yes, gold and silver are hot right now, but let's be real, they don't always go up. If you buy only gold at these levels, you are exposing yourself to long flat returns, or even sharper drawdowns. Now ask yourself, are you really willing to risk your hard-earned money, like that? Uh, especially investing so much at this level. I often hear people say that I'm in it for the long term. But here is the truth that I've discovered. Most investors, they come with short-term expectations. When prices dip or they see a drawdown, they suddenly become long-term investors. Just because nobody likes, probably booking losses. That's why I prefer a smarter path, that is multi-asset funds. They balance gold, equity, and debt. If gold or silver rallies, you benefit. If equities move, you don't miss out either. So it's not about chasing, it's about positioning yourself. So what have been my personal moves? See, I'm not against direct gold investing. In fact, I bought SGBs regularly whenever new issues came out. Last year, when equity markets looked super expensive, I did not chase equity returns. I went heavy on gold. Bought SGBs from secondary market via Zerodha. But right now, I don't know how long this gold rally can sustain. Primarily, the rally is because of central banks buying and the global uncertainty that is there. Plus, the future of US dollar. These are the reasons why I feel this rally is there, and I do not know for how long this can continue. So that's why I'm shifting my focus to multi-asset funds. This way, I capture both gold and silver without losing out if equity surprise on the upside. Now, what are the funds that I invest in? So my first choice is ICICI multi-asset fund, and here is why I love it. It is diversified across equity, debt, gold, and silver. The second reason is it is managed by S. Naren, a veteran in the industry, mutual fund industry, who doesn't chase, hot themes. Neither do I. And then, this fund has a proven track record of, dynamically shifting across asset classes. And this is the big one, taxation. Especially, for those who are in, 30% tax bracket. Because it is taxed like equity, after 1 year, you only pay 12.5% on gains above 1.25 lakhs. That's way more efficient than holding, direct gold or, investing in gold through ETFs. So this fund helps me ride the gold rally while, catching the equity upside. The second fund that I invest in is DSP Multi-Asset Fund. You must be asking why. So apart from equity, debt, gold, and silver, DSP also adds global stocks. They have expertise in US stocks. So this gives me international diversification. The gold and silver allocation, currently it is around 15%. So I still get exposure to this rally if it continues for a longer time period. And that global angle really matters to me, because it spreads the risk beyond just India. Now you could be asking why two funds, you know. It's simple, fund house risk. By splitting between ICICI and DSP, I reduce my dependency on a single fund and single AMC. Sorry, that makes my overall portfolio stronger. What are the big advantages of multi-asset funds? With these funds, I can ride gold and silver without betting everything on them, which I don't want to do at this point. And if equities take off tomorrow, I don't miss out. And then there is a debt angle also. That's the beauty of multi-asset investing. You don't have to gamble on just one story. So what are my final thoughts? So yes, gold and silver they look attractive, but the smartest way to invest right now, in my view, is through multi-asset funds. Personally, I use these two funds, ICICI and DSP. I believe they strike the right balance for today's uncertain environment. If you would like me to do a deep review of these two funds or compare them with other options, let me know in the comments. Now, I would love to hear from you. Do you prefer investing in gold and silver directly or through funds like these? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this video helpful, do hit like, share it with someone who is thinking about gold and silver, and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more strategies that combine safety with growth. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional before investing. Thank you and have a blessed day.